Hey guys, how's it going? And thanks for swinging by the channel. So my wife and I, we finally made it to our Airbnb. As you know, we like to travel around quite a bit, to and from, I'd say between 2 to 6 hours for each travel. And I think I speak for everybody that when you get to your destination, the last thing you want to do is more work. But it doesn't change the fact that number one rule is and always will be to check your water pressure, because 9 times out of 10, it's not going to be as good as it could be for 3 reasons. 1, we have mineral buildup. 2, we have a valve that's not entirely open to allow the water to flow freely. And 3, we have a water suppressant. It is almost always that stupid water suppressant, and the reason we have it is to regulate water flow. It was initially for businesses, but now it's residential, unless you know a trick around it. So feel free to stick around, I'm going to show you that trick.
So the entirety of this process will take less than 10 minutes, and we only need 3 tools to get the job done. Starting with the far left, we have groove joint pliers. In the middle, we have needle nose pliers, and on the far right, we have a simple pair of tweezers. And before I let you guys go, there are 5 things off the top of my head to keep in mind. For number 1, higher pressure equals more water usage. So for an average household water heater tank, I would say that you get 15 to 20 minutes of hot water. Number 2, more water equals possible water pooling. So be mindful that excess water may begin to pool at the bottom of the shower if the drain is either blocked or clogged. Number 3, and this is a fun one, complaints equal Airbnb exploit. So what I mean is, if you happen to come across an Airbnb that you really like and you see in the comment section that people are complaining about poor water pressure, there's a good chance that people won't want to book the property because, let's face it, typical households only have 1 shower and it's a pretty big turnoff, which subsequently and potentially will both drive down the price and make the property more available. So you can really capitalize here. Just be sure to put the water suppressant back before you leave. As for the plumber's tape to get rid of those pesky leaks, just swing on over to Amazon and type in plumber's tape. As you can see right at the top, they're selling us bundles for less than $10. You know this is relatively inexpensive. Now, we don't do this professionally, so we don't need a bundle. We're just going to go ahead and get the one for $3.99. We are not going to break the bank, and you should be good to go. And finally, last but not least, if you happen to be in a position where you need to replace your suppressor because you broke it on account of it being cheap plastic material, don't worry, I broke mine. Swing over to Amazon and type in shower flow restrictor. And as you can see from the top, they are already trying to sell us bundles, and they are less than $10. So if you don't like the first ones, keep scrolling. You're bound to find what you're looking for. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please like and share, and I hope you have a wonderful night.